Looking at a very nice 1969 Chevy C10 pickup. A lot of nice modifications on this one. We're going to walk around and tell you about it like we usually do. Very straight, beautiful body. It has a custom mix base coat, clear coat. It's received a full body off restoration. We'll actually get it up on the lift after I've completed the photo set here in video. Has upgraded suspension in it. Ridetech strong arm with trailing arms in the back and upgraded tubular control arms up front. Four-wheel coil-over shock. Has upgraded Baer braking system in it. SS in the rear and T4s up front. 4-piston calipers, drilled slotted rotors. Just set up to drive. US mags, 20-inch wheels. We'll get tire sizes when we get up on the lift for you. Custom mix of several different colors to arrive at this beautiful orange finish. Full mix spec sheet comes with it. Retains all its door handles, that type of thing. Up front here, a custom chrome billet grille. Halogen headlamps. Underneath the hood is a fun part. It has a LS3 crate engine, 495 horsepower, LS3 drive-by-wire type, 4L70 automatic overdrive transmission, Sniper EFI, billet specialties, serpentine belt drive, power steering up front with the Ridetech suspension and the coilovers. Has air conditioning. All the things you'd want in a Resto-Mod at this style. Drove it down here to the park. Good driving pickup. Looks good, body straight, very professional paint. Its original door handles in place. Has a nice little file, has a TMI interior in it. Custom black, orange stitching. Fits up nice with the truck. Non-modified dash. Again, we have a full file here. Here's the paint mix, that type of thing. The gauges in it, VHX series. Decoded digital gauges. Been all converted to 5-lug axles when they did the brake upgrades. Step back and let you take a peek here. Again, very nice base coat, clear coat, custom mix. Give you an idea down the side there. Not overly modified as far as exterior appearance. True Resto-Mod style on this one. The bed is not modified. It's had renewed hardwoods in the bed here. They went with a dark grain finish. Same quality of finish goes all the way through the bed here. Notice the bumpers are tucked up nice, front and rear. Sitting down low, nice and low. Easy to adjust the ride height, fully adjustable coilovers on it. If you want to raise it back a little bit or bring it up a little bit or keep it low like it is, it's just fine. TMI interior has nice little factory door handles here. Has a center console. One of the nice things they've done to it too, the factory vent here is in location down on the door jamb here, is they've added shoulder restraint seat belts. I did its tilt steering column, Lacara style steering wheel. It is drive-by-wire, so it's electronically controlled. Engine controls on it. Starts right up. Has vintage air conditioning. It blows ice cold. We drove it down here. Set the fan speed there. This is an information center. You can push buttons and move it through the gauges. 1,955 miles on it since it was restored. Run at about 190. Oil pressure, obviously you saw the gauge there, right around 30 pounds. Get out and let you hear it run. Nicely dressed, just nice and subtle. LS3, 495 horsepower underneath the hood here. Has Sniper EFI. All professionally installed here. 4L70 automatic overdrive transmission. You'll see the headers here. We'll actually get it up on the lift and cover a lot more for you. Smoothed off firewall out back. All finished body color. Air intake up front here, cold air intake. Has a Ron Davis radiator in it with dual electric cooling fans. Billet specialty serpentine belt drive. High amp alternator. Has Baer 4-wheel disc brakes. This is the master cylinder and booster here. It's a combination you can purchase and install. We have all the receipts for that. You'll see it has power steering. Actually fired up here for you. Taking it back to his garage. Could be going to your garage. Make sure you go to Spud's garage. Nicely done. Body off style restoration. Kind of give you at the peak here. It has a fuel tank out back. It's been relocated to the rear. Has all new professionally installed Ridetech suspension. All new trailing arms in the back. They're C-notch. Engineered C-notch for the frame in the back here. Adjustable coilovers front and rear. Has a rear stabilizer bar right there. Custom exhaust that X over the axle, out back, on each side. Has Baer brakes, grilled slotted rotors with emergency brake. We'll have all the documents scanned of the components that were installed on the chassis here. Trans coolers outside here, the frame rail. Flowmaster mufflers. Again, body off frame, powder coated chassis. Dropout cross member here. Long tube stainless headers leading into the Flowmaster mufflers. 4L70 automatic overdrive transmission. Bottom side of the LS3 495. Track 4 Baer brakes up front, all power all the way around. Huge Ridetech strong arm upper and lower control arms. 4 piston calipers there. Stabilizer bar up front. Again, all this is professionally installed. We took it for a test drive. Pass through here. Give you one more quick pass through. Halogen-style headlights. LED halo here for turn signal. This is the hood release cable right here. There is a little garage scuff here on the front fender. 245/35s up front. Date codes on the front is 2022. Out back here, date codes are 23. Out back are a 275. 35R20.